how to make the best pizza dough. So into your warmish water, blood temperature, put the yeast and a little bit of sugar and give it a mix. Just set it aside for it to foam and froth, and that will do so in about 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, prepare your flour. I went to Plastic Free Pantry today and got some beautiful sustainably grown flour. Here's the 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then the salt, yeast, and you can see that there's some activity in there. There's a little bit of foaming going on and it's mixed in quite well and a beautiful smell. And now I'm going to pour it into the centre of my mixture. And we're going to cheat a little because we're going to put it into our mixer with a dough hook, and that'll do all the work for us. But if you haven't got one, you're going to mix like this. So we did add a little bit more water to the mixture because every flour is different, and this is a new one we're trying at the moment. So you could halve the mixture and put half into the freezer for another time.
So now that I've finished kneading my dough and it's ready to rise, I'm going to grease my stainless steel bowl with olive oil, put my dough in it, and then I'm going to cover it with a tea towel and let it rise for an hour.
So, we take an onion to make the tomato sauce and just blend it all together in a bullet or some other blender with some pepper, some garlic cloves, 2 tomatoes, add those, some basil and 1 garlic clove should be enough, and then we'll just put the top on and put it into the blender. So here's the blended tomato mixture. It'll be lovely spread as a base onto the pizza bases. So here's the dough. Let's see if it's risen. Oh yes, look at that, that looks lovely. So we'll give it a nice big punch down, we'll give it a bit of a knead. And now we can pull off a little bit to make the pizza with, and that is a good amount for 1 pizza. So I've sprinkled some flour on it to stop it sticking, and we'll just roll it in. Okay, so we have a nicely rolled out pizza base here. This is a lightly oiled pizza tray. There we go. And now we can put the tomato sauce onto the top, and then you can add the toppings of your choice.